Check out the interesting classes below. We are live in January at Infinite Possibilities in Marlton, New Jersey. We're going to be offering everything from sound healing to taming your wild and crazy hormones. Check out the medicine wheel and learn how to do the spotted method that will include a free app and a free presentation to learn how to do the spotted method. And finally, at the end of the month, our friend Natalie will be offering a very special group collective grief healing. So check them out. Come join us. We would love to see you. This is Elsie Kerns from Infinite Possibility Center right in Marlton, New Jersey. And take a moment for yourself to recharge in the energetic scalar wave energy of the energy enhancement system. See you there.